Okay guys, as promised, let's have a look at this circle or arc to get the circle. Again, standard stuff here, documents, canvas, my ID, size here, okay, so we'll just save this first of all, standard circle, and we will refresh it again, don't mind the little piece taken out, okay, so we have a full circle, okay. Now, if I just turn around and give this a value of, say, 1, okay, and if I save that, and if I was to go here and refresh this, see that? That's 1. 1 radians gone. This is all measuring range. You're going to have to look up radians to understand this. Now, if I change this to true, it should reverse everything that we just did. So instead of seeing the full circle, we're just going to see the piece that was actually omitted. Okay? And there it is there. Okay? So we can actually go in here and put this back as false. Just so the direction that you want to see it in. So we'll leave it as false and we'll change this here to 0.5. Okay, if I save this, I'll go back into the circle and if I refresh this arc, there we go. You see what's done now. So we've taken that and we can go back in and we can change that to true here again, just show you that we can reverse this again. Save that. Go to the circle, refresh it, and we should get a tiny, and there it is there. Alright, so next we're going to move on to just moving this circle and making a bit of a glow coming off, like a bit of a comet. Alright, so join me next one, take care, but do look up and learn radians here first guys before you start attempting to understand what it's about, okay? Alright, take care, see you then.